Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So on the Honda Trail 125, the factory pegs, they come with these rubber pads that goes in here. They're bolted in with a little bolt, and they basically, the rubber pads are just not very good at all. They're soft, yeah, but they get wet, they get slick, no good for off-road. You can take the pad off and just use this, but these are not sharp either, not much traction. So Kemimoto does have an answer for that. Kemimoto sent me these to review. Anything Kemimoto, I don't get paid. They just send them to me to review. But they have these cool little foot peg inserts. And basically what that does is give you real good traction. So you also have this traction, but you also have this inner traction in here. And basically you just take your bolt that come out of it and you set these in here like so. Put your bolt in the bottom, and that's it. I mean, super simple. And you got your outside traction here plus the added traction here of these little Allen bolts sticking up. And they do send a little wrench with it so you can tighten them down. And you probably want to check and make sure they are tightened down. It wouldn't hurt to even take each one of them out and put a little Loctite on them to make sure that they stay down. So they are tight, but a little Loctite wouldn't hurt a thing. So we are going to take our bolt that come out of our foot pegs factory, just a little short 10mm head bolt, stick a little Loctite on there, and we'll just take the nut, put it up from the bottom. Should just thread right into the Kemimoto foot peg insert. Take a 10mm wrench and we'll just tighten them down, and it's actually, that's all there is to it. I mean, it's just super simple, something easy to help you want a lot of traction on your pegs on your Trail 125. This would be the way to go. There you go. That's it. Just need to do the other side the same way. Okay, let's install this side. Take our bolt, put a little thread locker on here. This does not have a lock washer, so definitely want a little thread locker just to make sure this don't ever fall out on us. That is red, kind of a red, but it's a medium Loctite thread locker. Usually blue is what medium is, I think, but cinch her down. And that's all there is to it. Check that out. I guarantee you it's going to be a lot more traction for your feet. No doubt about it. I like it. There we go. That's all there is to it, guys. Kemimoto foot peg inserts for the Honda Trail 125, CT125. Click the thumbs up. Check out the link below. Subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one. Right on.